The Dirty Dozen in Aviation Maintenance. Welcome! In this video, we will explore distraction in aviation maintenance. We will first start with the cost of distraction. Secondly, we will cover the identifying distractions, and then best practices to minimize distraction. Finally, we will address management's role, and then we will conclude with a brief summary. Let's begin with the cost of distraction. In aviation maintenance, even a small mistake can have catastrophic consequences. The Dirty Dozen identifies common human factors that contribute to errors, and today we'll focus on distraction. Imagine a mechanic working on a vital aircraft component. A loud noise disrupts their focus, causing them to miss an important step. This distraction could lead to an improper repair, jeopardizing safety. Let's cover identifying distractions. Distractions can be internal or external. Internal distractions include personal worries, fatigue, or daydreaming. External distractions range from loud noises to phone calls or social conversations. Recognizing these distractions is the first step to mitigating them. Let's move on. Best practices to minimize distraction. Here's how to minimize distraction. Complete tasks before responding. Finish what you're doing before addressing interruptions. Mark incomplete work. If interrupted mid-task, clearly mark your progress to avoid confusion upon returning. Review your work. When resuming after a distraction, take a few steps back and review your work before continuing. Double-checking. For critical tasks, consider having someone else verify your work using a checklist. Now, let's proceed with management's role. Management plays an important role in reducing distractions. This includes creating designated quiet zones for focused tasks, minimizing unnecessary interruptions, and fostering a culture of safety where focus is prioritized. Let's finish with the conclusion. By understanding and managing distractions, we can minimize human error and ensure the safety of our aircraft and crew. Remember, the Dirty Dozen is a tool for awareness. By working together, we can create a safer and more focused aviation maintenance environment.